Are you ready to transform your life but don't know where to start? In this video, we will show you right book could be your stepping stone. Stay with me as I take you through the top 6 self-improvement books perfect for beginners. Let's unlock the best version of you. Before wasting the time, let's start selecting your life-changing book. At number 1, Atomic Habits by James Clear explains how small habits can lead to big changes. It shows you how to create good habits and stop bad ones by making tiny improvements each day. The book shares easy tips to help you succeed in any part of life by starting small and staying consistent. At number 2, The Power of Now by Eckhart. Tolle teaches the importance of living in the present moment. The book explains that many of our problems come from thinking too much about the past or worrying about the future. By focusing on the now, we can find peace and happiness. It encourages you to let go of negative thoughts and live fully in the moment to improve your life. At number 3, The Miracle Morning by Elrod is about starting your day with a special morning routine to improve your life. Elrod suggests waking up early and using that time for activities like reading, exercising, meditating, and planning your day. This routine helps you feel more focused, positive, and ready to tackle your goals. By making mornings better, you can change your entire day and, eventually, your life. At number 4, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Covey is about 7 simple habits that can help you be more successful in life. These habits focus on being responsible, setting clear goals, working well with others, and continuously improving yourself. The book teaches you how to make better decisions, build strong relationships, and achieve both personal and professional success by following these timeless habits. At number 5, Mindset by Dweck explains how the way you think affects your success. The book talks about 2 types of mindsets: a fixed mindset, where people believe their abilities can't change, and a growth mindset, where people believe they can improve through effort and learning. Dweck shows how having a growth mindset can help you achieve more in school, work, and life because it encourages you to keep trying and growing, even when things are hard. At number 6, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon is about how your thoughts can help you achieve success and wealth. The book shares important ideas like setting clear goals, having a strong desire to succeed, and believing in yourself. Hill talks about how to create a positive mindset and take action toward your dreams. By following the principles in this book, you can learn to think like successful people and reach your own goals in life. Thanks for watching. All books link in description. Buy book and change your life. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing recommendations. And comment below which book you will start.